Every month, finance teams run the same routine. Spreadsheets, reconciliations, a manual close. It's slow, it breaks, and it eats your nights. But what if all of it could run on its own, while everyone's asleep? This is an AI finance department, a central core, coordinating 4 autonomous agents: payables, forecasting, audit, and reconciliation. It connects to every system, your ERP, your bank, your invoices. And unlike your team, it never clocks out. Take reconciliation. Overnight, the agent processes 10,000 transactions. 98% are matched and cleared automatically. Only the real exceptions, the ones that actually need a human, get flagged for review. Underneath it all is a real workflow, built in n8n. One trigger fans out to every source. The AI processes everything, then branches to specialized agents. And it runs every hour, all day, every day. The logic is simple. Python moves the data. The AI makes the judgment calls, the ones that used to need an analyst. And automation runs the whole thing, 24/7, without being told twice. The result? A month-end close that used to take 5 days now finishes in hours. 95% automated, and a live dashboard that's always current the moment you wake up. This isn't about replacing your finance team. It's about giving them a system that works while they sleep. The best finance teams aren't replaced by AI. They're powered by it.